In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Let's walk through how to export an n8n workflow as a file you can back up or share, and then how to bring it back in when you need it. This process is quick, reliable, and ideal for versioning or moving automations between environments. First, open n8n and head to your workflows list. Find the workflow you want to export and open it. It's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the latest version you want to preserve and that everything runs as expected. Exporting captures the current state, so taking a moment to double-check can save time later. Next, look to the top right corner of the workflow editor for the three-dot menu. This menu holds extra options for your workflow, including export and duplicate. It's essentially your hub for actions that go beyond everyday editing. Choose Download from that menu. n8n will export your workflow as a JSON file and download it to your computer. A JSON file is a structured text file that contains all nodes, their connections, and the settings that define how your workflow operates. Think of it as a blueprint of your automation. It doesn't include your runtime history, and in many cases, credentials are handled separately in n8n for security. When your browser asks where to save the file, pick a clear, memorable location. Naming it with the workflow's purpose and a date, something like Project Sync 2026-03-10.json, can make it much easier to track versions over time. This file is your portable backup. You can store it in your preferred backup system, share it with a teammate, or keep it alongside related documentation. If you collaborate, consider a short note explaining what the workflow does and any prerequisites so others can import it with confidence. When you're ready to bring the workflow back, or move it to a different n8n instance, open n8n and choose Import Workflow. Upload the JSON file you saved. The importer will recreate the structure, nodes, and connections exactly as they were. After import, give the workflow a quick review. If your workflow relies on credentials or environment-specific variables, you may need to reconnect or update those items locally so everything runs smoothly in the new context. And that's it. You've successfully exported your workflow for safekeeping and learned how to import it later. Keep your JSON files organized, name them clearly, and you'll always have reliable backups ready to go.